Today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of a good signature in a communal ceramic studio. Here I have a pot. Can you see that signature? You can just barely make it out. It says LJ. Now that's a pretty decent signature. I can read it. So I assume that Lyndon Johnson will be coming back for his pot any day now. I'm just waiting for the former president to come and claim this pot. Let's see about this one. Can you see that one? It might be like, what is it, like a bicycle if I turn it this way, or maybe some cherries. So cherry bicycle, she's gonna come and give me a kiss on the cheek because I saved this pot for her during the apocalypse. Let's see. Steph. That kind of works because I actually know who this person is. But really, when you're working in a communal studio, I would err on the side of caution and put your entire name very legibly on the bottom of your piece so that if we have to, we can find you and get your precious, precious piece back to you before that happens. The importance of a good signature. Plus, when you're famous, everyone's gonna want to know who did this work, who did this gorgeous, oh my God, that rim is amazing. Oh, you've never seen anything like it, right? So, sign your piece, make it legible.